Alright, I pulled the drawer out of the bio tower here at the top. Leaned the egg crate that holds bio balls up. Just kind of a temporary thing here to see how it goes. Installed a down pipe with a 45 degree on the bottom. And engaged the gate on the drain for the Hervey method, and I have no air bubbles. The drain is silent. There's a trickle noise in the UV here. That's the only place I'm getting any noise. And I have a bad ball valve here. I have a little bit of a leak on it. It comes out from under the handle. There, it drip drop. It's just wear and tear. I've had the thing for about 20 years, so it's just something that needs replacing. So all in all, the tank is quiet. It's just that one trickle in the UV, which if the back were closed up, I think I'd pretty much do away with that sound. I have decent, that's reflection off the bottom of the top, pretty decent surface agitation. Have all the flow that I need, I think. In fact, it's a little more than what the one siphon tube here can handle. So it's either two hang on the backs, and I just can't see that for a 40 gallon. I think I'm gonna let it go at that. We're done.